May I please?
Yes.
I beg to mention one item, Your Lordship. In this case, Your Lordship, we have tried to list it through registry, Your Lordship, but somehow it has not been listed, Your Lordship.
What is
This-
that matter?
This matter, Your Lordship, was last listed in July, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
And in fact, Your Lordship, the petitioners are aspiring for the post of headmaster, Your Lordship. And they wanted their service to be counted for that, Your Lordship. But Your Lordship, the outcome of this case will decide whether they will be able to participate in the selection process. Government had in the meanwhile started initiating the process of Your Lordship filling up the post of headmasters. Your Lordship. Therefore, Your Lordship, if it is not inconvenient to this honorable court, if this matter come up in the next week of any date of Your Lordship, 9th or 11th.
See, you know very well, I don't allow mention.
That is why, Your Lordship, without compelling circumstances, we have mentioned, Your Lordship. We have already submitted representation twice before the registry of
Where's that? When?
that, Your Lordship. Right now, I don't have the copy, but we have submitted, Your Lordship.
No, you approach them. I think it's better you approach them. I'll instruct them also.
If your
accordingly.
Lordship, if Your Lordship,
Ah. See, there's a register also mentioned there.
yes, Your Lordship,
Right.
we have submitted the application, but still it is not listed. That's why we know. That is why, Your Lordship, under compelling circumstances, Your Lordship, we are approaching this now. Otherwise, Your Lordship, I would not have Your Lordship mentioned that.
You approach once again.
Lordship,
I'll instruct them.
Lord.
Okay, whatever is required.
Lord.
We'll instruct them.
Lordship. Obliged, Your Lordship.
Well, I am praying for listing this motion tomorrow, my lord, because well, the connected.
Motion,
Yes, my lord. The connected.
what is the urgency?
Well, the connected case has been listed tomorrow, my lord, item number 18.
Connected in regards to?
Writ petition, my lord. In that writ petition, my lord, my appointment as in-charge principal has been put to challenge. And in this writ petition, my lord, I have challenged his qualification.
Okay, all right. Next.
Sir, I prayed for listing a petition Lorships. Last came on 19th of November, Lordships, October. But this is the regarding salary. For
Ah.
last 10 years, this
Right,
person is
right.
not getting salary.
I'll give you the same advice. Go to the
Of course,
register.
Lordship, but they are saying that the date is not fixed. That's why it is difficult to this for them, Lordship.
No,
Until unless we obtain an
we'll see.
mention memo from the honorable court.
We'll see. You approach them again.
May please, your
I'll
lordship.
I'll take up the matter with them.
But-
Okay,
May please, your lordship. With the consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 30 of supplementary list.
supplementary.
Letter 6 starts with 30, waiting. So letter may come and then it's taken.
30, you are for the?
Which,
Yeah, please, your lordship, I'm praying for, I'd like to mention for item number 24 of today's lordship.
No, 30. You are there in 30?
30 says there.
You are in
Yes,
30?
yes, yes.
You have not received instructions. You have received. Then let it be called. Why are you mentioning? it? As and when the matter reaches, we'll see. Next item, please. Anyone mentioning again?
Item number 24, lordship, I'm praying for short accommodation, lordship.
24.
Yes, lordship.
Yes, what do you want?
After 2 is lordship.
So hearing matter, lordship.
Yes, who's there for?
I am lordship, for the petition, lordship. First week of March, or 5th of May, March,
No.
lord.
We'll give a date from our side.
5th of May.
Mrs. Swar Learned Council Department expresses difficulty to conduct the case today on a prayer made by on her prayer and not objected to by the other side. Let the matter be listed. 153
For hearing, lord,
for hearing.
of language.
Yes,
Back to mention for listing for IM for orders for stay vacated. Can it be on 11th?
it'll be next week, any date, next week. IA. 16.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg for listing of one writ petition. Lordship, it was not listed as per the previous order, lordship.
What was the previous order?
Lordship, for listing, lordship, in previous order, they had directed us to serve the copy upon respondent number 5. Lordship, it has
Not-
already
not
been
that.
served.
Previous order gave some date or not?
Lordship, after 4 weeks, they had given the date, but it was not listed. Lordship,
No date,
lordship, the
only
previous
4
order-
weeks.
Yes.
We approach the registry. Yes,
May I please, your lordship, I'm here to mention item number 26. As the senior counsel has some prior engagement, so we couldn't be attending to this.
who is the senior counsel?
NN Jha,
NN Chaudhary,
NN Jha,
NM Jha,
yes,
for respondent number 3.
Yes, your lordship.
Have you informed the other side?
Yes, sir, your lordship. We have done that. sir.
Mr. N. Jha, learned senior counsel appearing for the respondent number 3.
Lordship,
Yes.
kindly fix it.
He is said to have some personal difficulty to conduct the case today. On a prayer made on his behalf and not objected to by the other side, matter stands adjourned. We will sit again on 24/3 for hearing.
Much.
My page lordship, I make to mention listing lordship for the listing.
Motion,
Yes, motion,
motion matter.
motion.
What is the urgency?
No urgency matter.
And when did you file?
Withholding the salary.
Sorry?
Withholding the salary.
Withholding salary?
Yeah.
When did you file?
Last posting, your honor, 9,
When did you file the writ petition?
2025.
25. Give me the date. It's a new case or an old case?
Old case.
Old case, you go to the registry. Next. Call the matter.
May I please? The consider other set method item 29 admission matter. Surprisingly, well, I have missed the file, so let the matter be taken in any day of any day of the next week.
You are for the
Petitioner.
B. Raman.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. B. Raman, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has misplaced the brief and therefore he prays for some accommodation. In view of above, this is the matter. 123 to
I level.
For withdrawal, item 27 of the supplementary list.
yes.
We allowed to upload a matter. Divided to file a place because there's some defect in the prayer portion.
Your good name?
That's not.
Mr. S. Nath,
That's
learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that there is some defect in the writ petition and therefore he wants to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to file a fresh. S.P. Das, learned counsel for the secondary education department, has no objection. And in view of above, with petition stands disposed of as withdraw with liberty to file a fresh. One more line, Ms. N. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, BTC appears for the same respondent. All right.
pleasant.
Deeply opposed.
May I please, your lordship, my lord, I have the instruction from the petitioner to withdraw the petition with the liberty, my lord.
Why liberty?
Lord, if something happens, my lord.
Something happens, mean?
Lord,
What is
if
the
cause
reason?
of action, my lord, now, my lord, I have been instructed that they have been allowed to join, my lord. So pursuant to their request. Lord, the cause of action on which
What is your case? What is the prayer?
the prayer was, my lord, that we should be allowed to
Dis-
join and.
Dismissal order.
My lord.
You have challenged the dismissal order.
Dismissal order, my lord, that had been revoked.
By
the
which
co-
order?
My lord,
By which order?
no, by the college authority, my lord, subsequently.
Correct. Where is that order?
Order is not available at this moment with me, my lord, but I have the instruction, my lord, that I should not.
If
press
it is revoked, then you withdraw it.
My lord.
Where is the liberty required?
My lord, on plain
If something happens again, it becomes a fresh
Yes,
cause
yes,
of action.
Yes,
So for that, liberty is not required.
not required.
Mr. A.R. Bhuyan, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner has been allowed to join back into service and therefore he has instructions to withdraw the writ petition. Stop. Ms. P. Das, learned standing counsel, secondary education, appearing for the same department. Has no objection to the same in view of above. Writ
Obliged.
petition stands disposed of as withdrawn.
Daily list item 1.
Mayor Lordship.
Yes.
My learned friend staff Lordship. I'm submitting on behalf of Mr. S.S. Roy for CJSC. The matter pertains to bench 3 Lordship.
I see.
The matter will come up because appointment regarding recruitment of constable Lordship. The bench 3 matter. Lordship.
Okay, it is submitted at the bar that the matter pertains to bench 3. Register to verify and list accordingly before the appropriate bench.
I am only date your lordship may be given, otherwise. Any
Uh,
date your lordship on the date.
So since the counsel for the petition expresses urgency, registry shall list the matter as early as possible. Next,
Item 2 for reference to the spectrum, right? We did not put a detail.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, we have agreed to go for mediation for this matter. Lordship, we have agreed to go for mediation, both the parties.
your good name?
B Saikia, your lordship.
B.
B Saikia.
Ms. B. Saikia, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner is agreeable to go for mediation. Ms. U, Mr.
Yes, we.
S. Buya, learned standing counsel,
Higher education.
Higher Education Department, and Ms.
Tinlong on behalf of architects. Tinlong on behalf.
Tin Lung. Ms. Tin Lung, appearing on behalf of Mr. R.K. Talukdar, counsel for respondent number
5 and 6.
5 and 6, and Mr. G. Pegu, learned government advocate, appearing for respondent number 7, also agrees to the submission. In view of above, the registry to place the matter before the mediation center for consideration as expeditiously as possible.
I'm claiming the benefits of notional promotion lordship, but my representative, he received.
I have
instruction.
received instruction.
And they file affidavit lordship.
In this case, while the speaking order was passed.
Although the matter is listed for under the column, open inverted comma, for referral to so and so, please copy. Mr. P.K.
Bora.
Bora, learned
Standing
standing counsel for the
Elementary
elementary education, submits that he has received instructions of the matter. And he would like to file the counter affidavit. Mr. A. Dekal, learned counsel for the petition appears and also agrees to the submission in view of above. The elementary education department to file the counter affidavit within 2 weeks. List matter again on so and so.
Obligation. Obligation.
My lord, it's not a case of mediation. I think the commission, it's not a case of mediation.
What is the matter?
Matter is relating to the granting regular scale of pay to the petitioner. The petitioners were accommodated, though they were appointed in the year 1994. After the screening, they were accommodated, but incidentally, my lord, as your lordship is aware, the 2017 Act came for venture school provincialization. Under venture act only I have been accommodated. That could not have been done because venture act came in the year 2017 and I was appointed in the year 1994.
You're claiming time scale of pay.
Yes,
On what basis?
because when I was appointed in the year 1994, at that point of time, the question of the fixed salary and all these things as provided under the Venture Act of 2017 was not in existence. And that was for only schools who are venture in nature, they were provincialized under 2017 Act. I could not have been accommodated under the 2017 Act. I should have been under the Provincialization Act of 1977.
So why mediation is not possible?
My lord, over here, I think on the last occasion, the commissioner was asked to.
You
File the
you
affidavit.
feel that the respondents will not be convinced to mediate.
Here, my petitioner accommodated as tutor man. Initially, he was under illegally appointed category. In the year 2021, he was accommodated as tutor man. Since then, he is receiving salary and in a condition that he will not claim the past benefit.
Okay, question is, can it be mediated? Is mediation possible?
We can try, my lord.
That's the spirit. You try.
I'm ready.
If it fails, nobody spends any money also,
Yes.
isn't it? You don't lose anything. Mr. J. Abedin, learned counsel for the petitioners, and Mr. P.K. Bora, learned standing counsel for the elementary education, agrees that the matter be sent for mediation. Considering the same, let the matter be placed before the mediation cell for consideration as expeditiously as possible.
Obliged.
Item 5.
Right? Okay.
Hey, please, your lord.
Uh,
So the petitioner is agreed to go for mediation lordship.
By the way, was this a part hard matter?
Lordship.
Was it a part hard matter?
Earlier it was part hard, but on today's court, it was not mentioned as part hard, Lordship.
Sorry?
Earlier it was hard by Honorable Mr. Justice R. Congress.
Then,
No, in the meantime, what will, because in the meantime, the client has taken the file from me, Malad. Later on, he has again engaged me, Lordship.
Sending to the mediation, we have passed our application. And the mediation fix for during.
question is, the matter was kept part hard
Yes.
on 24/3/25 and 3/4/25. So it will not be proper for this court to either send it before the mediation or
Lordship. Then, Lord, as per earlier order, Lordship, they are required to file another affidavit, Lordship. And it has not been filed.
we'll list it before the appropriate bench and you make your submission accordingly. What is to be done? It is noticed that by order dated 24/3/2025 and 3/4/2025, the matter was kept part hard. By a coordinate bench of this court. So as such, registry shall list the matter before the appropriate bench.
So a date may be fixed, Lord. Date will be
They will fix it, but
published.
I cannot give a date like that.
Maybe the last. Lordship, matter may be referred to.
Malad.
Your good name?
F Intas,
F.
not.
Intas. Miss F. Intas, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. P. K. Bora, learned standing counsel, Elementary Education Department. Submits that the matter may be sent for mediation. Considering the same, matter stands referred to the mediation cell.
First, I'm appearing for respondent number 5, A. Borwa. On behalf of SAG.
For consideration. Mr.
A. Borwa,
A. Borwa, learned counsel, appears on behalf of
respondent number 5, Accountant General.
respondent number 5. Yes.
God bless me.
For admission, item 7.
As per last order, madam, 5126, madam, respondent number 5, madam, service on how, madam, is
Complete.
incomplete, madam. And on that day, madam, better was the fix today, madam, for him, admission hearing. It is the case, madam, the respondent number 5, madam. He, with, madam, some false document got her service provisionalized, madam.
Oh.
So in that way, my lord, I am deprived of, my lord, from provisionalize of my service. It's assistant teacher in the elementary school. Your lordship will kindly come to page, my lord, on what basis the document, my lord, she misled the authority. Your lordship will come to page 25, man. Page 25, it's a type copy, madam. And in fact, this is,
It's ready for hearing, matter, admission hearing.
We have
Ms.
filed
Cooper.
our affidavit, Lordship.
Ms. Kaur.
Yes, Lordship, we have filed our affidavit.
So let us hear it. Can it be heard? Respondent number 5 is not coming, although the notice is received. So should we proceed? Who is that item number? ZA Asadia, Bakaranma file? No. But the date, see, date, February 2022.
page 25. Type copy of my lord, page 28. That is, name of the school, my lord.
No, just a minute. We are concerned with the respondent number 5.
Also,
See, we see a wakalatnama filed by one council for respondent number 5,
nothing,
which date backs to 25th of February to 2022.
nothing.
Then after that, why this Lavazima court's order is there?
In fact, my lord, the first, my lord, the case was filed, she appeared. She, my lord, filed her wakalatnama. But she didn't appear, my lord, in that case also, in that time also. So, my lord, then, my lord, we filed amended writ petition in this, my lord, writ petition, my lord. Then also we, my lord, served the copy, she did not appear. Then your lordship directed to, my lord, since she is not appearing in the case, despite her wakalatnama is on record, my lord, the lordship directed me to, my lord, take steps, press steps, my lord. Accordingly, we took steps.
Fresh steps.
Yes, ma'am.
By which order?
There is an order, my lord.
22/10/2025.
Yes. We took steps, my lord. And then, my lord, as per laws of course, order, my lord, she has received. And that is, you know, see, on 5/1/26, this has been recorded.
Steps notice was addressed to whom?
To her, man.
To how many? To the council?
Yes, ma'am. Not, my lord, not the council. To the, my lord, respondent number 5, to her address.
Where is that? Can you just have a look? The steps. Order was passed on 22/10/25. Postal. But how come this is annexed to the affidavit in reply, the postal receipt? Inside.
That is by me, man. Affidavit in reply, my lord, to the affidavit filed by respondent number 2, my lord.
Correct. So in that, the postal receipt is annexed.
Yes.
Have you annexed that?
Postal receipt, not mine.
Yes. In the postal consignment, tracking report. This is a part of the affidavit in reply? Or
That is
separate?
by the registry.
This is by the registry. Okay. What is to be done? Consignment tracking report says item delivered
Yes.
on 1/11/2025. So we go ahead, then what to do?
Yes.
Yes, please tell me, what is your case?
My lord, so we come to page 25, my lord. This is the document, my lord, where, my lord, she suppressed her, my lord, age, my lord.
No, you have to start from the beginning.
Yes, ma'am. will kindly come to my lord, my educational qualification, my lord. At page starts from page 19, my lord.
You are appointed as what? Assistant teacher?
Assistant teacher, my lord. And my appointment letter, you'll also will come to my lord, find it page 22, my lord.
Hmm.
You are hereby appointed as assistant teacher in the so-and-so school. Was to be so-and-so district of Assam by resolution number 1 of the managing committee held on 28/02/2006. The appointment is at present temporary and it will likely to be permanent in near future. His appointment date is 28/02/2006. So this is under the minor authority of the school headmaster and secretary, madam. He's the
Assistant teacher,
secretary of the managing committee,
LP school,
LP school.
by the, this is by the,
This is by the secretary of the managing committee. He's the headmaster of the school,
this is by the managing committee.
managing committee. At that point of time, this was managed at the stage of Mensa school.
Okay, then,
Then, my lord, you'll also will kindly come to page 23. It's the DICE data, my lord, the informations under for the year 2009-2010. This is the requirement to get their service provincialized, well, one of the conditions, well.
23.
That is page 23, my lord. And page 24 is the list of the, you know, the teachers of that particular school.
DICE data only contains the name of the school.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. DICE data of which year?
Yes, the DICE data at page 23, my lord. This is the number of the school, DICE code, my lord. And other particulars, you also will kindly come to page 24. My lord. The names of the, my lord, teachers. That is serial number 2, that is the respondent number 5, Oruna Halda, my lord. And my lord, serial number 4, my lord, Sibradas is the petitioner before your lordship.
Okay.
Then, my lord, page 25, my lord. This is the document, my lord, where you also will kindly see that the name of the school, then DICE code, then the serial number 2.
Page
then
number?
Page 25, my lord.
This is a type copy
Type copy. It is a type copy of page 28, my lord.
of page 28.
Page 20 is the, my lord, original copy, my lord.
28.
28.
28.
Oh.
Huh.
Yes, where are you?
That is, my lord. Miss Oruna Halda, my lord. It will also be fine, my lord. That's serial number 2.
Respondent number 5.
That's for number 5.
Then petitioner?
R, my lord, that is year of passing HSLC. At the top, my lord, that is serial number 16 at the column, my lord. That is her, his HSSLC is, my lord, recorded 2002, my lord. So this is the basis, my lord. On what basis, my lord, our service, my lord, finally, my lord, provincialized. In fact, my lord, we applied the information under RTI and, my lord, received where we find that, my lord, she is not even, my lord, matriculated in 2000, my lord, 2. She passed her HSLC in 2002. This is not higher secondary one, HSSLC.
How is that?
That is your lordship will kindly come to, my lord, our RTI information received, my lord, at page 42.
42.
This is, my lord, I certify that Sri Oruna Halda, Oruna Paswaju Solution, duly passed the Pravesika examination 2002. This is my lord equivalent to matric, my lord. HSLC. So this is 2002. But in the document, my lord, that is recorded, my lord, our higher secondary in 2002.
At pass the, what is this? Pravesh,
Pravesika examination
which is equivalent to,
equivalent to HSLC.
is it so?
Here is no page 42, Lordship.
Huh?
Here, this petition, there is no page 42, Lordship.
Okay, you just tell me, Praveshika examination is equal to HSLC,
Yes.
metric,
Pravesika.
metric.
Yes.
And page 43, you'll also will see that.
Why there's no page 42 in your copy?
Picture for the- petition of the Pravesika. 34 last law.
How many pages are missing?
Last page is 34, Lordship, here.
Why is that? 34 last page. 34 is what? Inspection report.
Director, yes. There is a one order, Lordship.
What is the
But
last
that-
page?
Last page is my lord,
No,
40.
in her copy.
Yes.
She says 34.
Yes, Lordship, there is a one order of passed by the Director of Elementary Education dated 5th of February 2021.
Annexure?
And it's nothing mentioned, Lordship.
Hmm?
One है. कितने में पहुंचे? That one. कितने में पहुंचे?
Why you're not having the complete set?
In fact, we, my lord, furnished to her, my lord. She received the copy also.
No, they have already filed counter affidavit. Forget about receiving copies.
Lordship, at
Huh?
our office, that may be misplaced, Lordship, at our office. Can it be taken on Saturday, Lordship?
Oh, my lord,
Saturday not possible.
yes.
See, before that, you said page 34 is some order.
Yes,
In my page 34, this is an inspection report.
that is me also. That is in my copy also. 36.
Annexure 6,
Yes,
inspection report dated 9/2/2020.
yes, yes.
Yours is different?
Yes, Lordship.
Are you holding the same writ petition otherwise?
Yes, Lordship, this is similar to our WPC 84 of 22.
Then how come you're having a different page?
I think, Lordship, the petition is misplaced by our office, Lordship. That can happen. By our Moholi, Lordship.
It has been misplaced.
Maybe.
But you're holding the copy,
So the earlier one, Lordship. This is not amended petition.
or amended one.
That's Lordship.
In
You-
both
you're
the
not-
writ petitions, my lord, pages are similar, like similar, man. In fact, there is no changes in the designation. So far my knowledge goes, man.
You cannot proceed like this, you see. Respondent number 5 is not appearing. At least the government of education has to cooperate. Give her a copy, you get a copy,
Yes, Lordship.
we'll post it some other day. Please write, despite receipt of notice, respondent number 5 has failed to appear till date. And therefore, this court has no other option but to proceed with the matter. Stop. However, at the outset, it is noticed that the copy which Miss S. What,
Yes, Lordship.
Learned Standing Council. What is this? Elementary education. Holds. Is not similar with the writ petition available on record and as well as with the learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. She submits that her office might have misplaced the same. And therefore she prays for some time to get a copy of the writ, uh, writ petition. In complete form. In view of above, list this matter on 10 March.
My lord, can it be part heard, my lord? Your lordship has heard the matter in fact.
No. 10 March.
Deeply wished.
Lordship kindly peruse order dated 9/1/26, my lord. As well, lordship. My lord, the department and government has filed affidavit.
Mr. Lordship, Mr. P N Sharma is supposed to appear in this matter, Lordship, but he is, Mr. P N Sharma, standing counsel, but he is feeling unwell. And they brief it with him, Lordship, so that I'd like to pray for something, Lordship.
Okay, now what about the finance department?
Direction not there.
Because Department of Elementary has filed the affidavits already. Finance has not filed. Last time Mr. Chali had appeared and sought for time. Anyway. Mr. P N Sharma, learned conducting counsel for the school education department, is said to be in this post. And an adjournment prayer has been made on his behalf. It is also seen that the finance department has not filed a counter affidavit. Although time was granted to them through their standing counsel, Mr. A. Chaliha, on 9/1/2026. Next para, for the ends of justice, let the matter be listed again on so and so.
Now, can it be, my lord, in the end of the month? My lord?
Why?
Well,
Yeah.
I'm getting my lord less salary attending my colleagues.
If you get the relief, then you'll get everything. List again on so and so. The finance department shall ensure filing of the affidavit on or before the next date.
All right.
Finally, the order dated 22nd January 2026.
22nd.
January. If you don't go in, you take instruction. January.
Yes. So you, Sharma?
Yes, my lord. Well, as per my instruction regarding the absent period, my lord, here it is stated, in regard to claim of the petitioner for regularization of the service on the, she has been serving more than 10 years without any break prior to regularization of her service better than inspector, but it is found that the writ petitioner was absent from duty without permission, unauthorized from competent authority for a period of 5/9/1998 to 2/8/2020, and with effect from 21/8/2000 and to 18/9/2000. So this is her absent period. And it was taken by without permission or without any authority.
What are you reading from? From where are you reading?
No, it is my instruction, my lord.
You have not filed affidavit or what?
Yes, no, already affidavit
Then
has been filed, my lord. Evidence of opposition, then additional affidavit must have filed. And additional affidavit also filed in the additional affidavit also it is mentioned.
So he was unauthorizedly absent.
Yes, my lord.
Then what did you do?
I did nothing. Connection 19, page 95, my lord, of my reply. The petition was filed for regulation of those period matter. Connection 19, page 95, my lord. They have separated, my lord, this order, by this order, my lord.
WPC.
I WBC,
This was filed by whom?
7989,
Who filed this?
petitioner.
Petitioner filed.
Aye.
This is the second round.
No, this is the first round.
Then what is this writ petition filed by?
But the petition, my lord, impossible to order taken first by this.
Who has filed this writ petition? Annexure 19.
Actually, filed, the petitioner filed, my lord, the present writ petition.
So that means this is a second round.
There is, in the year 2000, my lord, also one writ petition was filed, my lord, for allotment of GP account number
By the petitioner.
by the petitioner. But
So how many writ petitions have you filed so far?
Towards 3 writ petition,
3. Then why did you say this is the first writ petition?
3 writ petition.
You have filed 3 writ petitions already.
GP account number was not allotted, my lord. So now GP account number, allotted, my lord, they are not paying me the salary.
Here she is claiming arrears salary which effect from 1/1/2006. And as per our affidavit also, it is contended that she was lapsed as because her lapse in claiming because already after 17 years, 4 months, 25 days, she has filed this writ petition matter. And in our High Court also, it is clearly observed that 3 years, after 3 years, then a claim may be brought.
When did you receive the instruction?
This is instruction.
Dated?
2026,
Dated.
Dated.
4/2/2026.
You file it. You file an instruction. Please
And
write.
in our additional affidavit also, it is stated, my lord.
Huh?
In our additional statement,
Have you read the court's order of dated 22/1/2026?
yes, my lord, regarding the absent period, my lord.
Correct.
Yes,
January 2006 to January 2025.
yes,
So the submission of Mr. P.P. Datta, who had appeared last time,
yes,
was that as per the instructions received by him, department is verifying the attendance of the petitioner,
yes,
both physically and in digital mode, for the period claimed by the petitioner. And they will take an appropriate decision in the matter. Because of that, it was adjourned.
yes.
Today again, you are appointing this period absent, that period absent. You verify and file the affidavit. What is your finding?
You will-
What do you intend to do?
You
You cannot keep silent.
File our affidavit, my lord, here.
You cannot keep silent. If you feel that he was absent, if you find that he was absent, say that.
But in this
And-
report, my lord,
Just finding absent also will not do. How do you intend to go about it? If you don't take any steps, then you have to pay the amount.
The additional affidavit they filed, my lord, there is my lord silent, my lord, about that petition filed, my lord, petitioner. In the additional affidavit, they filed, my lord,
When? When did they file?
they filed it, my lord.
it is filed on,
30/7/2025.
So that is history.
and here also it is stated, my lord,
That is history.
page 55.
No, see, don't go back to that period of time. This court has passed an order on 22/1/2026
Yes, sir.
Yes,
on the basis of the submission made by the counsel for the department.
Yes.
You are to update the court, the steps taken by you. Please write on 22/1/2026, court passed the following order. Please abstract this. Today, Mr. U. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the secondary education department. Submit that he has received some instructions. In the matter. Now, considering the same, that the instructions be filed by way of an additional affidavit within a week. File it within 1 week, whatever instructions you've got. List again on so and so.
What? My lord, this contention is similar to their additional affidavit, my lord.
My lord, may I submit one thing, my lord? Petitioner is going to return, my lord, on 28th of this month. 28th of this month.
28.
Yes. On 5th, my lord. 5th of February.
5th of February is today.
Oh, sorry, I'm sorry, 10th of February, sorry. 10th.
Mr. Sharma,
Regarding that order, my lord, 22/1/2026, I will take the instruction and up to date status of that matter. Only on the basis of that order, my lord.
please read again
2000.
on so and so this order. Then today, what they say? Okay, that one you cancel, huh? Today, Mr. U. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, Secondary Education Department submits that you may be given some more time to get the up-to-date instructions. Whereas allowed, list again on so and so. Give a short date. On which date an attempt shall be made to dispose of the writ petition, considering the fact that the petitioner is due to retire on 28th of February 2026. Yes.
Your lordship may kindly see the order, last order dated 6/1/2026.
Yes.
My lord, here, the deputy director has written to the inspector of school regarding the current status and its report, my lord, and relevant documents. From the inspector of school regarding the pension and other benefits regarding the she has already drawn provisional family pension, leave encashment, GIS and GPF benefits.
We have admitted, also, I have admitted.
But my lord, regarding the final pension, it is written to the inspector. of-
Problem is that gratuity.
Basically, your instruction required to be obtained was why the gratuity has not been paid till now.
Yes, my lord.
Considering that audit report says that there is no case of misappropriation. Can you withhold the gratuity like that?
Inspector report is required, my lord.
There is some inspector report for what?
For gratuity and others.
What will the inspector report?
School authorities already have written.
As per my instruction and a letter from the Joint Director of Secondary Education, Assam,
Hmm.
my lord.
Yes, what is
And
that?
she has sent this letter to the inspector of the school.
When was it sent?
It was sent on 4/2/2026.
Show me.
Yes.
Have you read the last court's order? Mr. U. Sharma,
Yes, ma'am.
before you make submission, please read the last court's order. Because we had given some direction to get certain information and instruction. You have to inform the court what instruction you have received. Six one. I think he needs more time. This is what it writes. What the director has done is that he has requested the inspector of schools, CDC, to submit a detailed status regarding this. Number one. Number two is that the proposal of this 19/6/2021 for expenditure sanction ex post facto. This they have not received, according to them. They have not received it. Please write. Peruse the last court's order dated 6/1/2026. Top. Today, Mr. U. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the Secondary Education, admits that he has received a letter from the Joint Director of Secondary Education informing him that the director, by letter dated 4/2/2026, has asked the Inspector of Schools, CDC, Silchar, to submit a detailed status report along with supporting documents in connection with the issue. And upon receipt of the report, necessary action will be taken. So he also submits that as per the director's letter, the proposal dated 19/6/2021 has not been received by the Directorate of Secondary Education, as it's not available in the records. Where is the proposal, Shobhi? 19/6?
My lord, this is the school authorities have, my lord.
I have, school, my lord. We have annexed that to my equipment operation, page 20, page number
Page number
63 of my equipment.
63.
Yes, election 3.
Dated 21.
19/6/2020.
So you send again,
Madam.
send it again, if they have not received it. Mr. M.R. Adhikari, Learned Counsel, appears for the headmaster of Kachar High School. And considering the instructions received by Mr. U. Sharma from the Director of Secondary Education, the headmaster of Kachar High School shall resubmit.
These are, sorry, Councillor, kindly come to the last election, page 68. Again, one we have sent it. On my lord, 31/10/2025, last election, page 68.
My lord, what act office is doing, I don't know.
You know, again, same one.
The proposal for ex post facto sanction. They are not same, Mr. Adhikari. 63 and 68 is not same subject. 63 is regarding ex post facto. 68 is regarding payment of the gratuity.
Memo number CHS allotment 2021-112 dated 19/6/2021.
My lord, as per my information, my lord, present administrators has not yet been submitted the audit settlement report along with the non-liability certificate.
Who will
to the
submit that?
undersigned.
Who has not submitted? What?
Present administrators. Present administrators of the school, my lord.
No liability certificate we cannot, because there is an audit objection, madam. So it has to be cleared by the director.
Audit
And
report-
moreover, she has not submitted the audit settlement report.
We cannot do that.
Settlement report means what?
Here it is written.
Since there is an audit objection, madam, it has.
No,
to-
no. Who will settle it?
Director has to settle.
Huh?
Director has to settle.
You have not received the audit report.
Audit settlement report has not been received yet. Madam, in the last line, madam, in the instruction, in the last line.
In this regard, it says, the undersigned, that means the inspector of school,
Inspector,
has instructed headmistress of the school to take necessary initiative to settle the audit objection with the concerned office. Which office?
school, headmistress.
Audit objection with the concerned office and to submit the audit settlement report and non-liability certificate at earliest.
We didn't always follow that post-facto approval granted, so we cannot do it. That has to be done by the director. That's why we have written the director to grant us for the post-facto approval of the amount which was spent.
My humble submission before it will be better, the affidavit in opposition filed by the headmistress, Malot deals with all these things. So he may serve a copy to the Malot, my learned friend. So everything is there in his affidavit.
You must have served it. You must have served. Have you served a copy?
No.
I think affidavit has to be served to all parties.
I'm sorry, man. Even if it is served, I don't know, I have to check up with my problem.
Well, because of the action, my lord, the gratuity is being withheld. And that is to my lord, withholding of gratuity.
No, serving a copy will not solve the problem. First, now problem is that directorate is saying that they have not received a copy from the principal. So that copy should go separately, not in the form of affidavit.
No, what I was drawing, your attention to of that last election, that page 68. Here, the last communication was made by the headmistress, the present headmistress, on 31/10/2025 to the Director of Secondary Education, Here, she had made certain enclosures, So memo number 1, that's enclosure number 1, is that same letter of 19/6/2021 that was sent again to the director, seeking that post-facto approval. That's what I was trying to point out. If he says, he has not received, it was again sent to him on 31st of October.
Correct, I understand.
Yeah.
Thing is that the subject, the contents of the letter
Yeah.
of 19/6/2021
Yeah.
and 3/31/10/2025 is not similar.
Yeah.
The first one was
Yes, yes.
regarding ex post facto sanction.
Yes, settlement of,
Second one is for settlement of
yes,
the
payment of final-
dues.
Yes.
But along with that letter,
Yeah.
they have enclosed the
Yes,
earlier letter,
yes, yes,
only enclosure, that's all.
yes.
So now you give them once more.
Okay, well, we'll wait.
What did I say last line?
My learned friend has got that letter, my lord, that
He is having the letter.
he's
right?
having the letter.
You're having the letter means what?
That
That-
regarding asking for post facto at that time.
I think it does come along with this instruction.
Everything is there.
Then why are you saying that director has not received?
No, one, in this, my lord, instruction, it is stated here.
But that has been appended to this letter.
Here, my lord, in the last line, it is mentioned that moreover, the present administrator of the said school has not yet been submitted the audit settlement report along with the non-liability certificate to the undersigned. Undersigned means, my lord, inspector of school. So here, from inspector of school, it is written to the director.
No. He does not say that he has not received that proposal. It says that non-receipt of the audit settlement report. That's all. You have received this letter. So endeavor of everyone should be to settle the matter.
Yes.
How do we settle the matter? Tell me.
The director has to grant that, Malad, ex post first take to approval. If he does that, Malad, then Malad, we can issue that Malad, what is that?
And Madam, moreover,
No liability certificate.
it is written by the inspector to the director of secondary education department on 4/2/2026.
That's correct. That's correct.
Yes, madam, where it is all these are annexed. So on next, I will get the up to date status regarding that.
What did I write in the beginning? Yeah, from the beginning. Okay, that much you, the rest you come. They're paying for the secondary education department. Submits that he has received some instructions in the matter. Considering the same, let the instructions be filed in the form of an affidavit within 10 days. You file it. You're confusing everybody. We'll see what is to be done with your instruction. What is this? This you have given me.
Yes,
Same thing.
yes, madam. It is from the inspector to direct government.
You file this in the affidavit, give a copy to everyone. We have to settle it. Nothing is happening like this.
Allocate
Ah, yes.
33.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, the matter, my lord, relates to a Waqf property, my lord, wherein a privately managed religious institution, my lord, is operating. Now, my lord, the state has taken a policy, my lord, that they have converted all the madrasa institutions, my lord, into general schools. Those were provincialized. But the petitioner's institution, my lord, is purely a privately managed, purely a religious institution under the name and style as Gwalipar Nizamia Alia Madrasa. Now, what they have done, my lord, during the course of the policy of transformation from my lord, madrasa to school, and subsequently, my lord, amalgamation, they have taken over the property of these institutions, my lord, pretending, my lord, that this is a government property, my lord, which in fact is not correct, my lord. So, my lord, the impugn order, my lord, may be pleased to find is at page 57, but unfortunately, my lord, on the several occasions, my lord, a time has been, my lord, granted by this honorable court, my lord, for the purpose of filing of the affidavit. But till date, my lord, I have not received, my lord.
Today we have received the instructions, sir. We would like to find our affidavit.
Today only you received.
Today we have received, today in the morning.
Okay.
Then, my lord, affidavit is required, my lord.
Where was the order dated 9/1/2026? Which respondent is that? Your
My lord, the director of secondary, my lord, it is by the respondent number 3, my lord. No?
The secondary education department has not yet filed the counter affidavit. So however, Miss,
2 weeks.
what is your good name? Miss
D. Musari.
D. Musari, learned counselor paying for the secondary education. Correct?
No, second.
Submits that she has received the instructions this morning.
Lordship, we have received the instructions from respondent number 7, that is the inspector of schools. So I'll be filing on behalf of him, Your Lord.
Quiet, whatever you have to file. The instructions from respondent number 7, and that she may be given, how much time?
No, 2 weeks.
2 weeks time to file the counter affidavit of respondent number 7.
Lordship,
I am for 2 and 5, WMD department, MD Bora for W.
Are you filing anything?
Yes,
Yes, yes, they have filed.
Okay, Miss MD Bora, line counsel appears for
MD, Welfare Minorities Development,
WMD department. Bracket respond numbers
2 and 5.
2 and 5.
5
And-
has already filed.
And submits that counter affidavit has already been filed by them. Is there Pugan, London Council? Appears for respond number 6. Any affidavit? and submits that she would be relying upon the affidavit to be filed by respondent number 7. We'll give above list again on.
I have a simple prayer, my lord. SCWMD may be reflected in the cause list.
12, 12/3/2026.
Okay.
Registry to reflect the SCWMD in the cost list hereafter.
Keep the.
Obligement, high level.
I can present.
This is your lordship. Your lordship, on the earlier occasions, the respondent authorities had sought time to file their affidavit.
Lordship,
Due date.
affidavit for respondent number 3 and 6 will be filing today. Affidavit
For respondent number?
3,
Okay. Your good name?
A Banerjee.
Mr. A. Banerjee, learned counsel appearing for respondent number 3. Submit that
And 3 and 6, respondent number
respondent numbers. Respondent, who will file?
3 and 6. I'll file on behalf of respondent number 3.
Some appearing on behalf of respondent number 3 and 6. Submits that respondent number 3 will be filing the counter affidavit during the course of the day.
During the course of the day.
Any submission? Private respondent number?
Private respondent.
Number?
Respondent number 8. Any Riangel.
Have you filed an affidavit?
No, no, sir.
Are you going to file or not?
Going to file you.
Your good name?
R.H. Chaudhary.
R.A.
R.H. Chaudhary.
Mr. R.A. Chaudhary, learned counsel appears for respondent number 8. And submits that he may be given some time to file counter affidavit. Will give above, this matter again on this one. The respondents to file their counter affidavit will move ahead.
Quick direction. The file their affidavit or my lord, be some, what is the report, my?
May please. Lordship, I'm appealing for the department here, my lord. My lord, the last occasion we were directed to file an affidavit, my lord, but unfortunately we were not able to file because my lord, that's why I'm seeking some accommodation today. We'll file it in the next, my lord.
When will you file? Have you,
To file, my lord, but then.
have you received the instructions?
Can you see last part, my lord, orders?
They have written to us, my lord, they are seeking some more time. No, I know, my lord, the order is there, my lord. Order is there.
You have to produce the records if you are not filing it.
Please, we'll be filing, my lord. We'll be filing, and if we don't file, then we'll bring the record. But
When are you
supposed-
filing?
I'll be filing it, my lord, within this week, my lord. So your lordship can fix it after 2 weeks.
You have received the instructions?
Till now, I have not, my lord, because
Then-
I'm appealing for the first time, my lord, because Mr. Kaushik couldn't come, my lord. Last week, so my lord, I'm appealing on his behalf. Sometime may be given, my lord. 1 week, my lord, I'll bring it, because since I'm
Next
appealing.
time Kaushik will appear and he'll say the
Yes.
same thing.
No, I'll ensure, my lord. We'll ensure. There's some,
You're taking turns like that.
No, my lord, some problem, my lord, today, my lord. Otherwise, matter should not go unrepresented.
And also there is a direction, both.
No, we'll ensure, my lord, we'll ensure.
That was the order dated 5/1/2026.
It's January, my lord, now it's just reached February, my lord. We'll
Stop,
get-
Mr. A. Fukan, learned standing counsel, elementary education department, submits that he may be given some more time to file the counter affidavit as the instructions are being awaited. Considering the submission, and what was, and also the observation made by this court on 5/1/2026. Let such affidavit be filed within a period of 2 weeks. Failing which, the record should be produced by the department. List again on so and so.
My lord, deeply affected.
That is your lordship. Lordship, the affidavit has been sent for vetting. It was sent on 3rd of February. Your lordship. So
How
I'll
long
wait
will it take?
for a week's time, your lordship.
Ms. D. Musahari, learned standing counsel, secondary education department, submits that The affidavit has been sent for vetting on 3rd of February
Yes, Your Lord.
and prays for a week's time to file the same. Review for
My lord, the only thing is, my lord, on the last occasion, my lord, this honorable court was also directed the respondents to pay the subsistence allowance to the petitioner, my lord. To the, that order, my lord, they have not done anything, my lord.
So let us file the affidavit, Your Lordship, because
You are under suspension
My lord,
now.
till date, my lord.
List again on so and so. Ms. D. Musari shall also obtain instructions as regards the status of payment of subsistence allowance to the petitioner by the next date.
One.
You get the instructions. We want to see what has been paid.
pleasure.
My lord, in this case also, my lord, affidavit is required, but no affidavit till date, my lord. The prayer is for the, my lord, salary. Petitioner, my lord.
Secondary,
Secondary, my lord, yes.
who's there for secondary education department?
Allotted to is there and be my lord. So anyway, my lord, we will follow affidavit, my lord, here.
You should cover up for her also. She will cover up for you next time.
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm?
Instructions.
Mr. A.R. Bhuya, learned counsel, appears for the petitioner and submits that respondents have not yet filed their counter affidavit. So Mr. U. Sharma, learned standing counsel, Secondary Education Department, submits that the case has been endorsed to Ms. H. Terangpi.
Yes, sir.
But last time you appeared.
Yes, my lord, yes, but it is allotted, today it is allotted to S and B.
Tomorrow is evening.
Yes. We will. Okay, we will find it, my lord.
What is showing? What is showing?
This is our allotment schedule here.
And submits that. He prays for further, how much time? 2 weeks time
2 weeks. Time.
on behalf of Ms. H. Terangpi. Prayer is allowed, Mr. Gain so and so. Now you inform her also.
Yes.
Hmm.
I will tell you.
For us, for the court, whether A or XYZ appears, doesn't matter. Somebody has to appear for the department. All right.
My lord, in this matter, affidavit has been sent for vetting, my lord.
When?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the great pay matter, my lord, that 8,700 initially paid, later on it had been reduced. My lord. Some of the districts, my lord, similarly situated persons are being paid 8,700.
What
In
is-
Nagaon and
okay.
some of the districts still not paid.
What is the, you Sharma,
Yes, my lord.
what is the system? You have a common WhatsApp group.
Yes, my lord.
What are you checking?
And I have sent it at 26 January 2026.
No, from where are you seeing that?
From our group. This is the common group and where,
Common group.
by which we have sent or any instruction may be communicated in this group.
To the group.
Yes, my lord.
So there will be a lot of instructions.
Yes, my lord.
How do you identify that particular instruction? It will be time consuming.
My lord, regarding that Tulon Kumar Bora, in SARS option, I have done and it is
Oh.
written Tulon that it is coming.
I see.
And as per our affidavit also, my lord,
When did you send the affidavit?
26 January.
It was a holiday, 26 January.
Yes, I have sent it through WhatsApp group and thereafter they will see it whether all this
Okay.
are correct.
Please write Mr. U. Sharma, Learned Counsel Attorney for the Second Education Department, submits that the affidavit of the department has sent for vetting on 26/1/2026, and the same is awaited. And return of the same is awaited. Stop, he therefore submits that he may be given some more time to file the complaint. Next parent, give for list again on front. Yes.
It's our record, but we will require lawsuit. We have 3 times in granted for file affidavit lawsuit, 25 meter lawsuit.
That's paid for by Mr. S. Bhuya, Learned Standing Counsel,
Date may be fixed.
Higher Education Department. Further 3 weeks time is granted for filing contract. with
Any
the
date after 3 weeks, maybe,
List again. We'll give you a date, don't worry.
man.
19th.
May I please, your lordship, my lord, this is similar to that Great Plain acronym. It's pertaining to Lakhimpur district,
Item number,
item number 89.
no, similar to which case?
Similar to that.
Item number 16.
My lord. But the districts are different, my lord. It is one Lakhimpur and one Jorhat.
Anyway, we'll give them some more time. Who's appearing? Miss
It's there.
H. Terangpi. So you're the one. Mr. U. Sharma had sought time
Lordship,
on your behalf.
15, your lordship. We have received the instructions yesterday, your
Miss
lordship.
H.
That's my-
Terangpi, Learned Standing Counsel for the Secondary Education Department, submits that she has received the instructions yesterday and prays for 2 weeks' time to file the counter affidavit. Prayers allowed. List again on. Right.
Obliged.
The matter pertains to non-payment of pension. The person retired in the year 2016. Until date, pension and gratuity is not released. Initially, he was being paid into a provisional pension, but that is also abruptly stopped without any communication. Affidavit is not yet filed, but I have an interim prayer as well. Provisional
Your
pension
provisional pension started from which date?
after retirement date,
Retirement was
16.
which year?
2016, your lordship.
Okay,
He retired on 31/8/2016.
the reason I'm asking you is that there are certain formalities to be done for a pensioner. Even for regular pension, perhaps it's also applicable for the provisional pension also. That annual affair, some form has to be submitted, isn't it?
That was submitted. Only thing, your
So
lordship,
if you don't submit, maybe because of that it was stopped.
I have been verbally informed
Hmm.
that provisional pension is a temporary thing. It cannot be paid for years together. So they have told him when, after stopping the provisional pension, he approached the officials. And he was informed that since it has been paid since for last 10 years, it cannot be continued like that. It is a short-term measure, only, so we cannot continue the provisional pension. That was the information. And regarding the final pension, your lordship, at page 23. This is a communication. From the inspector of schools to the director of pension. Some official documents, some office memorandum is not available with them. This is the reason why my pension is being given. They are calling for that and then department of communication.
Yes, who is appearing for the, you will be appearing for? Deputy Inspector of Schools, Bongaon,
I'll get the instruction.
elementary.
Elementary. I'll get the instruction. Update. If it's
3, 4, and 5. I am preparing for 12 seats, you know, so I have received that instruction only, but he said it's correct here also. Some proposal has been sent to the department here also. This is the instruction.
Is right. Non-payment of pension to the petitioner has prompted him to come before this court. Most of the further grievance is that the provisional pension which was paid to him or her?
Him.
Had also been stopped since July
Since you.
2025. Stopped. Today, Miss N. Fukan comments that the pension proposal has been returned by the Director of Pension to the Deputy Inspector of Schools, Bongaon, for obtaining the approval of the government. So therefore, on receipt of the approval, the Director of Pension can only proceed with the matter. So Mr. A. Fukan, learned standing counsel for the Elementary Education Department, promise that you may be given some time to obtain up-to-date instruction of the matter. Considering the same, matter stands adjourned to be listed again on so 26 to. Is item number 20.
For the time being. I need to go for the. What's it here? I have received the instruction.
Instructions.
Yes, not.
This is regarding dismissal matter. What is the matter regarding?
Reinstatement of the petitioner lordship. Reinstatement of the petitioner lordship. The petitioner filed his appeal before the Honorable Governor Secretariat lordship, and the matter is pending before the Governor Secretariat.
Then
And today's instruction is that lordship, this matter is not under our jurisdiction lordship, as the matter is before the governor.
who's the petitioner? What is he, what was he working as?
He was the deputy inspector of school lordship.
Deputy
Inspector of school.
Inspector of School. Why did he have to prefer the appeal before the governor?
He was under suspension lordship. In connection with ACB PS case number.
Yes, madam, whom you are assisting? Who is the counsel?
P Kashyap and P.
Huh? B. Kashyap and? Where are they?
So they are in the another folding lordship.
Please write. Where was the order dated? Twenty-six, 11/2025 and 18/12/2025. Of today, Ms. Esquire, Lalit, Planning Council, Elementary Education Department, submits that although comments from the School Education Department was sought for by the Governor's Secretariat. They say although. Cancel the although. Just read the sentence. Submits that. Also cancel that was sought for from the School Education Department. then the department has sent back its views and comments to the Governor's Secretariat on 9/12/2025. So that as the appeal was addressed to the governor, the education department has no say in the matter. Insofar as the disposal of the appeal is concerned. Next para, considering this above, the petitioner may consider pleading further appropriate parties in the writ petition. And for which matters have adjourned, we will listen again on so.
Instructed me about it. I'll file affidavit. I need to file affidavit.
I'm not getting pension also. After the final order, my pension is not being paid. Your lordship was pleased to pass an order by the state. Without fees, with this pension will be.
Mr. If you can learn it, standing council. Elementary Education Department submits that she has received instructions
Open.
and prays for how much time?
After 2 weeks, they're not.
2 weeks time.
I'm paying for the elementary
You are for the?
I am for respondent number 4 pension.
pension department.
No, we're paying for the pension. They're paying for respondent number
4, Your Honor.
4. No, elementary, okay. Then prays for 2 weeks time to file counter affidavit. Yes, and what is your take?
I think it's already processed it to the pension department. Madam. They are in position.
They send the proposal.
We have sent the proposal needed.
Chair Pukan, learned
Yes, sir.
standing council, secondary education, elementary education department submits that.
The proposal
Pen-
has been sent to the pension.
Pension proposal has already been sent to the pension department. And it is for them to take up the matter. It is for them to take the matter further. Next para, in view of above, let the matter be listened in consent.
Like it.
For hearing numbers 21 and 22.
Please also. Item number 21, they filed a reply lawsuit. And I would like to file my reply lawsuit. They filed an affidavit.
You'll file reply to reply.
They filed a affidavit lawsuit, and I would like to file my reply lawsuit.
Please write, although the matter is listed for hearing, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he would like to file a reply affidavit to the affidavit position filed by the respondents. Praise the Lord.
That question.
Your good name?
RJ Sharma, Lordship.
Lordship, these two are similar matter, Lordship, same matter in fact. In one case, we have filed our affidavit, I think that will cover the second case also. Same selection,
You filed affidavit in which case?
Item 21, Lordship.
I think 21, yes.
Okay. And for which he pays for, how much time?
2 weeks time, Lordship.
2 weeks time.
Reply.
Stop, Mr. P. Naik, learned counsel appears for respond for the,
I'm appearing for SSA Lordship,
for the
SSA.
SSA. Responded and submits that the counter affidavit filed in WPC number 236 of 2023 will cover the case of the said respondents in WPC number 271 of 2023. And therefore, no separate affidavit is required to be filed. Next paragraph above, list this matter. For hearing again.
Lordship.
It's like on 24/3. For hearing,
Lordship.
24/3 for hearing.
In this matter, I played for some time because I could not prepare. Yesterday, I could not go through the file. I had taken consent of the lots of codings.
Okay, Mr. Yat, I will the learned standing council higher education department submits that we could not go to the case brief. And therefore, he prays for some time to prepare the matter. Will be a follow-up. And not objected to by the other side. This is the matter for hearing on solution.
Next. I know about everyone. Last week.
Yes.
Otherwise, only all benefit, he has all received all the.
Okay, 19 clear, right?
19.
And make it final,
Okay.
19 clear. So Raman is there?
Council for respond university is not there.
Who's there? Which,
Lordship, I'm appearing for University Grants Commission, respondent number 3.
which university?
National Law University,
NLU Assam.
Assam.
Okay. You are there for NLU,
No, Lordship, I am here for University Grants Commission, standing council UGC.
UGC only. Who else is required? NLU is required.
Lordship.
Yes.
Who's the council?
Lordship, Mr. Ken Chaudhary is leading the matter.
Ken Chaudhary. He has not come today. There are how many? 3 respondents.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes,
Vice
sir.
Chancellor, NLU, then National
Regis-
University through registrar. Is the same, 1 and 2 same?
One and two same.
3 is UGC, that's you. Have you filed counter affidavit?
Yes, Lordship.
And the
These are
The
NLU?
PDs are complete,
Yes,
Lordship.
complete.
PDs are complete.
Okay. What is the matter regarding?
Lordship, the petitioner here was a associate professor in National University Assam.
Okay,
And during the course of his service, there's a scheme under the UGC. It's called Career Advancement Scheme.
Hmm.
So he had applied for promotion as a professor.
CAS.
Yes, yes, Lordship. Now, as per the applicable rules, the CAS process has to be completed in a period of 6 months. It's a mandatory rule. Now, what happens in our case is that the university delays the process multiple times. It goes beyond 2 years. In the meantime, the petitioner in 2022, the application was made in February 2020, should have been over by July 2020. But the petitioner waits. In 2022 November, the petitioner is appointed as a professor before the Aligarh Muslim University. So the petitioner on lien moves to the Aligarh Muslim University for 1 year. Thereafter, the university holds the screening process for CAS. That was actually the third part of the process. 2 parts were already over. And the petitioner is not called for the interview before the screening committee. So as a result, he is not promoted, and right now he's suffering from a loss of seniority for over 4 years and other subsequent benefits.
Petitioner is now in Aligarh.
In Aligarh, he's serving as a professor in Aligarh, but then he has a deficiency of seniority by more than 4 years.
He has not got the benefit of CS.
He did not get the benefit of CS.
Who's supposed to give that benefit? The
Lordship-
previous university.
No, National University Assamese Lordship, because
Yeah.
he was at the time of application of an associate professor before the National University. He applies in the National University for this benefit of promotion. The university delays the process. It goes beyond 6 months, it goes beyond 2 years.
It lapses.
It doesn't lapse. Because the university keeps on calling for documents and for publications, copies of publications, which were already submitted. Multiple times on different grounds it's called for, and the process is delayed.
What is the benefit of the CS? What does he get?
So he gets
Promotion
he gets promotion as a professor.
from
and-
associate professor.
From as a professor, yes, Lordship.
So there was some delay in his promotion
Yes, Lordship.
from associate professor to
To
professor. Thereby he has lost seniority of
Senior
about 4
of
years.
More than 4 years, plus all the subsequent
No.
benefits.
So for that now you're seeking a remedy
Yes, Lordship.
that
We
he
are
should be
seeking
given
that-
that benefit.
Yes, we are seeking the benefit that his case may be placed before the selection committee, which will then, it's just
Now
formality.
you are already in Aligarh Muslim University.
Yes, Lordship.
Correct?
Yes.
Now with that benefit, what will happen to you?
Lordship, now the petitioner is actually he was appointed in Aligarh in November 2022. So he is considered for his career in general as a professor from November 22 onwards.
Hmm.
But he should have been a professor from month of May 2018.
No, that I understand. Thing is that with that benefit, supposing you're given that benefit,
Yes, Lordship.
so with that you'll be in the position of professor
Yes, Lordship.
from an anterior date,
Lordship, what happens now is
and
that,
thereby you're having a seniority.
yes, Lordship.
And
And
the seniority in Aligarh University would be affected.
yes, Lordship. He's right now not eligible for becoming the HOD, or when there's some competition between
understand.
professors, he falls short because
I
of that.
understand. Now, that is why the thing is that if your writ petition is allowed
Yes, Lordship.
as per your prayer, you'll be getting that seniority back for 4
Yes,
years.
Lordship. Yes,
And
Lordship.
thereby your position in the seniority overall will be up.
Yes, Lordship.
And the incumbents in the Aligarh University would be affected. What would happen then?
Lordship, now what has happened as per instructions, this is off the records. What has happened is that National University Assam is now holding on to his files also, his records also. He is serving in the Aligarh Muslim University, but throughout his career, whatever benefits he's supposed to have, he's not being able to avail those benefits.
Anyway, we'll require the NLU to be represented.
Lordship, may I pass a note may I pass a note, a list
is
of
that?
dates and the notes for the arguments?
Synopsis.
Yes, sir.
Sort of thing.
Yes.
Mr. Counsel, you ready for the argument?
Lordship, a bit difficulty today, your lordship.
You are appearing or Mr.
What I need, your lordship.
You'll be appearing
Yes, lordship.
or Mr.
Ken Chaudhary.
Ken, who will appear? Ken Chaudhary.
Ken Chaudhary.
He's not available today.
Lordship is in Lakes, your lordship.
Wow. So what is to be done?
Lordship, I believe the list is also over, your lordship.
This is the last matter.
Yeah, there's no time. And for time being also, lordship.
Is it a lengthy matter?
It will take some time, Lordship. I'd like to take a Lordship through the rules.
It will take some time.
Yes.
Well, fix up a date then. Convenient date.
Lordship,
So
can
there's
I-
a reference today also.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes,
So
Lordship.
when time is a bit short, apart from.
Lordship, can I request for a date in March, 20th of March, if
Let's see.
possible?
24. What is that? Tuesday. Tuesday, 24th.
24th of February, lordship, I'm fine.
March.
March.
Okay, lordship.
All right. As agreed to by the parties, let the matter be listed for hearing on 24th of March 2026. Would you like to submit that thing or you submit on that day?
Lordship, I may submit on that.
Okay, this it get misplaced. I thought Mr. Raman was going to appear. Okay.
That's fine.
Okay. Right, right.
Our tenure is over, 40 years.